Good morning student, this is your math workbook of class 7. Now we are continue chapter 8. So student, worksheets 8.3 we continue. In previous video we have done till question number 12. Now we will start question number from 13 to 24. So question number 13 is the ratio of Fatima's income to her saving is 4:1. The percentage of money saved by her. So student, the Fatima income is 4:1. So 4:1 means 100. Suppose 4 is 100 and 1. So 4:1, then 100:25. Then this is the option B, 25%. Question number 14, 225% is equal to. So 225, we write 100 to place of percentage. Now we cancel from 5. 5 4s are 100 and 5 9s are 225. So 9:4 is answer. So option A is correct. Now question number 15. A farmer bought a buffalo for rupees 44,000 and a cow for rupees 18,000. He sold the buffalo at a loss of 5% but made a profit of 10% on the cow. The net result of the transaction is. तो स्टूडेंट एक फार्मर है, उसने एक बफेलो और एक काव परचेज की. बफेलो कॉस्ट इज 44,000 एंड काव कॉस्ट इज 18,000. इफ़ ही सोल्ड बफेलो एज लॉस 5%, अगर वो बफेलो को 5% लॉस के साथ बेचता है एंड काव को 10% प्रॉफिट के साथ, उसका नेट रिजल्ट क्या होगा, प्रॉफिट होगा या फिर लॉस होगा. नाउ द दिस आंसर इज CP ऑफ बफेलो 44,000 एंड SP इक्वल टू लॉस 5% ऑफ द बफेलो प्राइस. So 5/100 multiply 44,000. So 5 multiply 440, 22,200. So SP of buffalo 44,000 minus 2200. So 41,800. This is the SP. Now CP of cow 18,000. SP of cow is equal to profit with 10% of CP of cow. So 10/100 multiply 18,000. Now again cancel 20 to 20. 10 multiply 180 is equal to 1800. So now SP is equal to 18,000 multiply 1800, 19,800, and CP is equal to 44,000 and 18,000 is equal to 62,000. So total SP 41,800 multiply 19,800 is equal to 6,16,000. Then CP is greater than SP, then it is loss. So loss is equal to CP minus SP. So 62,000 minus 61,600. So 400 loss. Question number 15. Option C is correct. Loss of 400. Question number 16. The interest on 30,000 for 3 years at the rate of 15%. So student, this is very simple. You can apply formula PRT upon 100. So the value of P is 30,000. Then time is 3 years, rate is 15%. Now the solution of this questions, after solution we got 13,500. Option D is correct. Question number 17. Rajni and Mohini deposit rupees 3,000 and 4,000 in a company at the rate 10% per annum for 3 years and 2.5 years respectively. The difference of the amount received by them will be. So student, this question also same. We use formula interest is equal to PRT upon 100. So you have solved the two questions in this questions. 3,000 is first amount, first principal, and 4,000 is second principal, I1 and I2, and 3 year and 2.5 year, they both are time and rate are same. So find the both interest and difference. After difference we got 1100. So option D is correct. This is a very simple Question number 18. If 90% of x is 315 km, then the value of x is. So 90%, 90 upon 100 multiply x is equal to 315. So x is equal to, we cancel 0 to 0, 315 multiply 10 upon 9. So 9 1 जा 9, 9 4 जा 9 3 जा 27. So 4 is left and 9 5 जा 45. And multiply 10 is get 350. So option B is correct, 350 km. Now question number 19, same. Student, you can solve very easily. 25% of 50, then this percent of 100. This is the percent upon 25 multiply 50. So answer is C, 0.01%. Question number 20. The sum which will earn a simple interest of rupees 126 in 2 years at 14% per annum is. So sum of which will be earn simple interest of rupees to 126. So this is the principal, time is 2 years and 14%. The sum which will be earn a simple interest of rupees 126 2 year per annum is. So again we use formula, interest is equal to PRT upon 100. Put the value and solve. Option C, 450 is correct answer. Question number 21. Out of 48 children in class, 36 are boys, then the percentage of girls is. So 21 is, total children is 48, boys 36, girls are 48 minus 36 is 12. So percentage of girls is equal to 12 upon 48 multiply 100. So we cancel 48 from 12 4 times and 100 from 4 25 times. So 25% is answer. So option B is 25. Now the question number 22. The interest on 7,500 at the rate of 12% per annum for 2 years. Again PRT upon 100. So principal is 7,500, rate is 12, time is 2 upon 100. So cancel 2 0. So 75 multiply 12 multiply 2. So 150 multiplied by 12. After multiply we got option D, 1500. So option D, 1500 is answer. Now question number 23. 40% of 500 km. So 14 upon 100 multiply 500. We cancel 500 from 100 5 times. So 40 multiply 5 is 200. So option A, 200 is correct answer. Now question number 24. 0.35 equivalent to percentage. 2 percentage we multiply by 100. So 0.35 multiply 100 and sign of percentage. So 35% is answer. So option B, 35 is correct answer. So student, our worksheet 8.3 is done.